Hello and welcome. My name is Tommy and you are watching Stock Trader Diary. I guess everybody have days when everything goes wrong, and exactly that kind of day I have today. So before the open I already was very nervous and I was thinking, oh shit, what's gonna happen with me today after the open? And what just happened? I forget to record the trade. So it is gonna be a little bit different recap like in the previous videos, but even I hope you're gonna enjoy it and you can learn something from that. So let's continue on my computer, and there I'm gonna give you every details what just happened in the day. So guys, I don't know where to start because I'm just very disappointed. I guess I forget to record my trade and everything else what I just have recorded or I thought I have recorded before the open. So now I'm just gonna try to explain everything once again what happened. And yeah, as you can see, we are 40 minutes after the open, and these companies I was watching today. These companies are on my list, and it was pretty hard to focus on all of them or both of them, but yeah, it was not easy. But RNG was my number one stock for the day, and let's see how does it look. So the reason why I focused on that company is now I just have to find once again that articles. Yeah, maybe this one. RingCentral shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q3 EPS and sales results and announced a strategic partnership to provide meters or miters, I don't know how to say, company. So they came out with a perfect earning reports, and like Wells Fargo, it just made things overweight on RingCentral, raises price target to 400, and the company just get a lot of raises on price, and just get a lot of many good news. As you can see here, price target raised to 404 per share from 390, and as you can see here, the price is under $300. Today it just reached 315. It was the daily high, so there is a lot of room to get this to get it once again I can't speak, so to get that price. It was the reason why I focused on that stock, and the pre-market move, it showed me that the 284, it can be my first support line, 284, and as you can see here, 285, it was the daily low. I'm gonna show you the daily chart, how does it look, and here you can see, maybe that's 1 minute candle today. You see, it was the market open, but the first move was that the price just spiked up to 315, and after that reached that level, it just dropped back, and a few minutes ago it just reached the 285. So the support line was great, it just reached too late. So and that's why I moved to the next company. It is FIVERR or FIVERR, I don't know how to say, and it just gave me the profit in the day. But I'm gonna show you first the 1 year chart. So where we are, here we are. The same news, like on the first company, just came out with a FIVERR or FVRR international shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected quarterly EPS and sales results and issued Q4 and fiscal year 21 sales guidance above estimates. And here are every numbers. This is the guidance. So 74 to 77 million versus 72 the estimates, and sales are 292 to 295 million versus 287, and a lot of other news, which of course I have to read every news before the open. So this is the homework which every trader has to do before the open, going through in every news what you just can find. Yeah, so let's see what happened on the trade. 182 was my first support line, and before because pre-market it was just the price, it was just between 182 and 196, if I can remember good. And so 182 was my first support line, but as you can see, it just reached the 175, and it was the other it was the second support line, 175. Just give me a second, I can't speak anymore. I'm just nervous because of that I forget to record it, and it's not good. So that's today. Let's see. So as I said, 182 was my first support line, and this is a big drop, which made me happy. And my entry point, as you can see, 175.02 was the daily low. My support line was 175.11. So again, I was really close to make a perfect support line or a perfect entry. But the move it was just very quick, and the spread, it's still very big. You see, it is now it's 40 cents, but the time when I traded, it was close to $1. It was a very big spread, and so 176.80 was my entry point at the time, 3 minutes 50 after the open, and it was only the 32-second trade. My exit point was 179 for 465. But the reason, as you can see, I was very quick out. So that's the 182, and the stock price is just, yeah, I could make a lot of money. But the reason why I just exited so quick, so early, because I thought that 182, as was my support line after the open, but then it just reached the 175. Then this 182, it could change to the resistance line. So I was a little bit worried that after that gonna reach the level 182, it's just gonna drop back down, despite the good news. And the day today, it is more bearish than bullish in the market. So I decided if I could make some exit, then it just was gonna be a very quick position. So that was the reason why I was out so quick. But anyway, small profit is also profit, just as I said always, and it makes me happy that I was very close again to get the perfect support. I just missed 9 cents. That is very good. So I don't have any reason to be sad, honestly. I always say small profit is also profit, and it's still much better than losing the money in the end of the day. But of course, if I'm thinking about how much more money I could make today, it just gave me some kind of feelings which are not so good. But as a trader, I have to handle it. And as I always like to give an advice, maybe after that video today, it can be that never be greedy. Because, of course, as you saw the chart, after my exit, the price is just spiked further. But maybe next time I'm gonna be right and the price is just gonna drop back down. And then I'm gonna be in the trouble. So always follow your rules, always plan your trade and trade your plan. And once again, never be greedy. Because if you want too much, you can lose.
Connection lost.
Market data connection lost. Interactive brokers. So if you want too much, you can lose much more. And as a trader, your most important job is to protect your money. So with this advice, I'm gonna say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that kind of video and this different kind of recap. And see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.